So this is a magic square. It's basically a 9 by 9 square in which the sum of the numbers in every row and column is equal. So basically, if we write that down, a plus b plus c is equal to d plus e plus f is equal to g plus h plus I is equal to, now we've done these, now a plus d plus g is equal to b plus e plus h is equal to c plus f plus I. So this is the basic characteristic of a magic square. Now these numbers are filled with numbers from 1 to 9. So the sum of all the numbers in the square will obviously be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till 9, which we can use the formula n plus 1 by 2. So it comes to 45. You can calculate it, but this is easier. So you get it as 45. So now if we take all these values as k because they're all equal, then we know that the whole thing is a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f plus g plus h plus I. Now a plus b plus c is 1k, d plus e plus f is 1k, and g plus h plus I is 1k. So that equals to 3k, and we have already calculated the sum. So 3k is equal to 45. Therefore k is equal to 15. So that means the sum of every three numbers in rows and columns has to be 15. This is the first step complete. Okay, so now we know that the sum of every row and column has to be equal to 15, the three numbers. So now every three numbers are going to be 15. So now I've listed out all the possible ways of splitting 5 into three numbers with the so that it suits the square, because some possibilities do not suit the square. Now I've written 1, I've started it with 1 obviously, and I've went all the way to 5, because if we use 4, 1 plus 4, then the total sum has to be 15. That means this has to be 10 because this is 5, and it's only numbers from 1 to 9. So we had to make the sum in such a way that fulfills 15 and only uses numbers between 1 to 9. So now I've listed all the possibilities, and there's a lot to rule out in here. So 1 plus 5 plus 9, 1 plus 6 plus 8, 1 plus 7 plus 7. We can't have repetitions of a number, so this does not make it. This is the same. 1 plus 8 plus 6 is the same as 1 plus 6 plus 8. 1 plus 9 plus 5 is the same as 1 plus 5 plus 9. The order really doesn't matter. So we're dealing with combinations here. Now 2 plus 4 plus 9, 2 plus 5 plus 8, 2 plus 6 plus 7, and these all these three numbers are basically just the same numbers with different orders, so we can cancel out all these. Now 3 plus 3 plus 9, 3, there's 2 3s, there's no repetitions allowed. 3 plus 4 plus 8, 3 plus 5 plus 7, again repetition 6, not allowed. This is the same, and this. So wait, oh sorry, this is 3 plus 9 to 3, yeah, and then there's a repetition again, so this gets cancelled out as well. Now 4 plus 2 plus 9, 4 plus 2 plus 9 is the same as 2 plus 4 plus 9, so that rules out as well. 4 plus 3 plus 8 is the same as 3 plus 4 plus 8, it rules out as well. There's a repetition here, 4 and 4. 4 plus 5 plus 6, okay. 4 plus 6 plus 5 is the same as this. 4 plus 7 plus 4 has a repetition. 4 plus 8 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 4 plus 8. And 4 plus 9 plus 2 is the same as 2 plus 4 plus 9. And then 1 plus 5 plus 9, we've already done it here. It's 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 is the same thing. 5 plus 2 plus 8. Now if you'll notice, if there's a smaller number here, 2, 3, because we have 1, 2, 3, we've done till 4. So we can rule all of them out because we've already considered all the possibilities. So 5 plus 2 plus 8 goes away, 5 plus 3 plus 7 goes away, 5 plus 4 plus 6 goes away. Now 5 plus 5, that's a triple repetition, it's not allowed. And again, we have 4, it's already used here. All numbers lower than 5, 3 plus 5 plus 7. So all of them just go away. Now 6 plus 1 plus 8 is the same as 1 plus 6 plus 8. Again, the same thing, all the smaller numbers just go away. 4, 5, and now you'll start noticing from 5 you might have noticed that none of the numbers make it. Yep, none of the numbers make it. So I can just... So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are the only ways we can split 15. And that really limits down to how to make the magic square. This was the second part. Now let's move on to the third part. Okay, so the third step is essentially just to place the values in the grid. Now we can place these values any way we want. So what are the values we have? 159, 168, 249, 258, 267, 357, 348, 456. Now you can start with 1 because 1 has 2 possibilities here. And so like any number here, you'll notice that in the combination of A, B, C and all that, it has 2 combinations. Like A has A plus B plus C and A plus D plus G. Any of these, because it's part of a column and a row, so it'll have 2. So you can use that to an advantage. So you can use 1, 5, 9, and then you can use the other part 6, 8. So now we've got off these 2. And then you can just place the values according to how it makes sense, like according to your own logic. So like there's 9, we've used 1 9, there's another 9. So this will have to be 4, this can be 4, this can be 2, or this can be 2 and this can be 4. But we don't have any combination with 8. Oh, we do have, no mind. We don't have any combination with 8 and 2. Oh, we do. No, we have a combination with 8 and 2. 2 and 8, but 5 is there, that means 5 will have to come here, but 5 is already here. So now I'm using things that we use in Sudoku now. So this will be a 2, this will be a 4. Now what was the thing we have with 8 and 4? We have 3, so 3 will come here, and 6, 2, 7. That's it. That's the magic square. So 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 15. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.